Hello, Prosper ISD. So here we are, and we're headed into spring break following this week. We still have a ton of activities that are taking place because the spring semester is always a busy one. Please mark your calendar. We have elementary open house on March 3rd, so that's this Thursday. So I want to make sure that you're engaging with those campuses. Check the campus website, but those are always amazing nights where we get to see all of our student artwork and all of their just academic work that they've been working on for the entire year. So please mark your calendar for that. And next week is spring break. So March 7th through the 11th is spring break, and I know we're all looking forward to that. Hopefully we've got some great weather in store for us. I will tell you though, we have a ton of athletes that are still playing games, and they are all over during spring break. So if you are in town and you're looking for something to do, we certainly have softball and baseball, our runners, so track is also occurring. So please check the calendar because we've got events going on. Now, something a little bit different than what we've done in the past for those of you who are returning Prosper ISD parents and community members. March 14th, which is the Monday that we would typically be coming back for school, it's actually a professional learning day for our staff, so no students, so you get like an additional day of spring break. So Monday, March 14th, make sure that you don't set the alarm that day because our staff will be setting their alarms, but our students will get one more night of sleep, and then we'll see them on Tuesday, March 15th. We also have the Hope Walk coming up on March 19th, and it's every campus involved. So again, March 19th beginning at 9 o'clock, and that's at Children's Health Stadium. And we'd love to see you out for the walk to support mental health awareness as well as suicide prevention. I think my time is just about up. Have an amazing spring break, and remember, be kind. We are Prosper. We are one.